Hello, my name is Manfred Bobertag and I will show you the AddMassJet procedure balancing with ultraviolet hardening glues with this demonstrator here. Let's have a quick overview. It's got an HMI with a balancing software and an HMI for the jet valve. We have some discs where we will jet on. Well, that's just samples. These are mounted on a servo engine. And let's have a look at the jet equipment. Most important part is the jet valve itself, that's the black part, very small. And the ultraviolet hardening lamp, very small too. We're measuring the unbalance and then the jet valve will be positioned for correction and it will shoot around 80 drops, building one drop on the surface. That's it, very fast, hardening it and measuring again. Here's the HMI. You see with this one correction we have been shooting directly into the middle, and in demo mode we're shooting drop by drop by drop, balancing in a circle, and on the HMI you can always see what it's doing at the moment. Here it's jetting and now hardening, measuring again, and the result is again a point in the polar plot. And that's what it's doing. Very easy to integrate into machines. It's modular, lightweight, small, and for us very easy to control. Thank you.